Understanding Soil Texture, a guide for gardeners and earth enthusiasts. Hello, fellow learners and curious minds. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of soil, specifically discussing soil texture. This is a crucial aspect of soil that affects everything from gardening to agriculture. So, let's get our hands dirty and explore the gritty details of soil texture. Soil texture refers to the feel of the soil and the size of the soil particles. It's a way to describe the proportion of different sizes of mineral particles in a sample of soil. The main categories of soil texture include sand, silt, and clay. Each of these has different properties, which we'll explore next. Sand. Sand is the coarsest of the three types of soil particles. It feels gritty when rubbed between your fingers. Sand allows for quick drainage and doesn't hold nutrients well. Silt. Silt is a medium-sized particle. It feels smooth and powdery when dry and silky when wet. Silt is better at holding nutrients than sand but still drains relatively well. Clay. Clay has the finest particles. It feels sticky when wet and can be rolled into a ball or ribbon. Clay holds water and nutrients very well but has poor drainage. Soil texture is important because it determines how well the soil can support plant life. It affects water drainage, nutrient availability, and root penetration. For example, sandy soils drain quickly but don't hold nutrients well, which can be challenging for plants that need consistent moisture and feeding. You can determine your soil's texture at home using a simple method called the jar test. Fill a jar with 1/3 soil and 2/3 water, shake it up, and let it settle. The layers that form will show you the proportions of sand, silt, and clay in your soil. Understanding soil texture can make a world of difference in your gardening and environmental science endeavors. We hope this video has shed some light on the subject and given you a solid foundation to work with. Happy gardening, and stay curious about the world beneath our feet.